Now, you could use that trick where you say divide by 2 on all 3 parts on this, but it's gonna give us a fraction, which I don't really want right now. I mean, you're welcome to do that if you'd like. You end up with the same answer. I'm just not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna distribute the 2 into the parentheses. So that'd be 2 times x, that'd be 2x's. And 2 times -3 would be -6 right there. So everything else stays the same. -3 is less than 2x minus 6, less than or equal to 4. And now I will add 6 to all 3 parts. Here, right. So add 6 plus 6. Hopefully I have enough space. So that drops the 2x just like I wanted. And then -3 plus 6 is 3. So 3 is less than 2x, which is less than or equal to 10. Finally, dividing all parts by the coefficient 2 tells us that x in comparison here with 3/2 would be greater. But compared with 10 divided by 2 is 5, that'd be less than or equal to that, okay? So that solves the inequality. It does want the graph and the interval for this though, okay? And while I didn't center that, I mean, it would be perfectly fine if you're doing this by hand, just to have these where I have them. So that'd be 3/2 right there, and then 5 right here, okay? You can make that look more pretty if you'd like, but x has to be everything in between these, okay? So everything in between, sandwiched between. It's an open circle of 3/2 because it's just, it's not equal to x. And then at 5, that would be a closed circle there because it does equal to 5, okay? So there's the graph. And then finally, the interval starting at 3/2 here on the left, which is not included, so that's an open parentheses. Stops at 5 here on the right, which is included, so that'd be a square bracket right there. So now we have the inequality, the graph, and the interval. Boom.